That is a social disease because the Prophet ﷺ said it clearly, اتركوها فإنها منتنة or نتنة. Leave that type of relationship because it's rotten. It's a rotten type of relationship that should not be among us. So, unfortunately, it's there and it's existing. And if anybody goes there, they will see it on the real life. Now, the other one, brothers, which is local governments over there on the whole region, tends to encourage evil acts. And I will give a few examples. I'm sure some of us know where is the largest casino exists on the Middle East. Does anyone know? Jericho. Very high. The largest casino in the Middle East exists in Jericho, protected. And all kind of nationalities goes there. Jews, Arabs, Muslims, non-Muslims, everybody goes there and gamble. So, what kind of messages are we sending to the people? I was told, another example, in the capital of Jordan, in Amman, there's over 720 night bars. Night bars. Those are the legal ones. Not mentioning the illegal ones. So, what is the point behind that? Because the more people are extracted to that, the more they are paying attention to those acts, the less they're going to care about what's going on around them. So, they do permit that and they allow that. If you go to larger cities, for example, whether in Jordan or in Palestine, you will see a lot of liquor stores. A lot of liquor stores. They sell hard liquor and they sell beer and wine and everything. One Christian friend, Palestinian Christian, he was making a joke with me. He said, you Muslims spoiled our life here in Palestine. I said, why? He said, before you did not used to drink and the liquor was so cheap. Since you start drinking, now there is up the prices and it's not good for us. So you really spoiled our life in here. So it just made me a joke because actually a lot of Muslims now are doing it in there. Who's encouraging it? اللهم اجعلنا من الذين استمعوا القول فاتبعون احسنه والسلام عليكم ورحمه الله وبركاته.
السلام عليكم ورحمه الله.